So the topic I'm covering from chapter 1 is dimensional analysis. How many minutes are in a year? In order to begin this problem, you should probably write down what you know. And over here, we know that there are 365 days in 1 year, 24 hours in a day, and 60 minutes in 1 hour. It's also important to use this formula, given unit times desired unit over given times desired unit over given unit will give us our desired. Now, depending on how many conversion factors you're going to have to use will determine on how long this formula would be. For this problem, it's not just one, but we're going to do two, which is going to give us our answer. So we know that there are 365 days in a year, so that's going to be our given. We also know that our desired, in order to get to minutes, it's going to be hours, and then also given 1 day. So we know that in 365 days, that's 1 year, we're going to multiply that by how many hours are in 1 day, which is 24 hours. So these are going to cancel out as done so. So we're left with 24 hours, which we need to multiply because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. And remember, we're getting down to minutes. Therefore, we're going to have to cancel out the hours, and we are left with 60 minutes. We get 525,600 minutes. This is after multiplying 365 times 24 times 60. Now, if there was numbers down here other than 1, we would actually be using this, and we'd be dividing. So if this was 2, 3, which could be for any other problem, you could divide, and that would be 365 times 2. But in this instance, there is no other numbers, and we're using 1. Therefore, we're multiplying straight across. So 525,600 minutes are in a year.